This is getting crazy.
So I'm going down. I'm going. So that's G. The A goes down to a G, and then this goes down to a C.
Seventh grade tuning.
And then you capo it up here. So it sounds like this. Says Red Molly to James, that's a fine motorbike. A girl could get lost on any searchlight. Said James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. It's a Vincent Black Lightning 1952. And I've seen you on the corners, cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. Then he pulled her on behind, and down to Box Hill they ride. Said James to Red Molly, well, here's a ring for your right hand. But I tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. For I fought with the law since I was 17. I robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now I'm 21 years, I might make 22. I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, then I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, Red Molly, cried Sergeant McCrae. For they've taken young James 80 for armed robbery. Shotgun blast hit his chest, left nothing inside. I come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry. Said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Said James, in my opinion, there's nothing better in this world than a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Nortons and Indians and Greaves won't do, for they haven't got a soul like a Vincent 52. Then he reached for her hand, slipped her the keys. He said, I've got no further use for these. I see angels and Ariels, leather and chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. Then he gave her one last kiss and died, and he gave her his Vincent to ride.